Do this dumbbell workout just 3 times a week and watch your strength skyrocket without ever leaving home. Today, you'll learn why the dumbbell bent over row is the secret weapon for building muscle, burning fat, and boosting your energy fast. Most people waste time on exercises that don't work their back or arms enough, but this move targets all the right muscles at once. When you bend over and pull the dumbbells up, you're working your upper back, shoulders, and arms. This helps you burn more fat even after you finish. Plus, it improves your posture, making everyday tasks easier and reducing back pain. Here is the best part: it only takes 10 minutes, and you don't need any fancy equipment, just a pair of dumbbells. When done right, it's powerful for building real strength and helping you look and feel stronger. The bent over row also trains your core to stay stable, turning simple moves into full-body workouts that help with balance and coordination. Forget boring cardio or long gym sessions. This one move saves time, builds muscle, melts fat, and makes daily activities easier. In just a few weeks, you'll notice better posture, more energy, and stronger arms and back. Want to see how to perfect your form and get the most from every rep? Subscribe now and dive into the full playlist to transform your home workouts for good. Don't miss out on feeling stronger and healthier every day.